Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Braille, and yeah, that is my website. I wanted to take a minute and explain the real purpose behind a website. You know, some people think that a website or any kind of an online presence is an advertisement, some way to tell people who are out there that, hey, I'm here, I'm a chiropractor. Well, there's a problem with that. People don't respond to chiropractic who have never been to a chiropractor just because they saw you. And by that I mean this. You could put a billboard up on a street and thousands of cars can go by that every day. But if you're selling a product or a service that people are unfamiliar with, they're not going to respond to the billboard. You know, years ago we used to take out full-page, yellow-page ads, and in the beginning they worked, and then all of a sudden the money we were spending just wasn't bearing any fruit. In fact, later on it was just a waste of money. We stopped doing it. You know, and the reason being is, in the beginning there were a certain number of people who would respond to an advertisement about chiropractic because, hey, that sounds like a good idea. Well, those people are pretty much going to chiropractors. Now what we're looking to do is not compete with the other chiropractors, but basically compete with the 85% of the people who go to medical doctors, who go to hospitals, who could benefit from chiropractic but have no clue that chiropractic can help them. That is the benefit of a website. To put up information that will help change people's minds and hopefully help change people's lives. You know, every day in your office you have people who come in and they say, you know, Doc, I love chiropractic, but my neighbor's child has bad asthma. Is there anything you can give me to help them? And you start looking around the office for the asthma pamphlet and you give them a little trifold pamphlet in the hopes that that little piece of paper will change somebody's life. And maybe it will. But my answer is a little bit different. I now tell them, you know, I've got over 30 articles on that on my website. And they say, oh, now you know that mother of that child has been online looking for help for their child for asthma. Now your neighbor, your patient, their neighbor, says, go to my doctor's website. He's got 30 articles on it. They go to my website, type in asthma, and over 30 different articles come up. The purpose of a website is to educate, to change people's minds. You know, I've been in chiropractic long enough that we used to have lending libraries on our office, lots of books, lots of information to hand out. And the problem with the lending library is that people kept the books. So we didn't have the books anymore. Well, this is the lending library that they can't steal. So the benefit of having a website that's full of good documented information is that it helps change people's minds. It educates them, and it helps the people who are already building your practice to further build your practice. You know, chiropractors spend all kinds of money and resources looking for things that don't build their practice. You know, let me do this, let me do that. There's nothing better than being out there in the community, and the biggest reason people go to chiropractors is referral. So why not enhance what already works, your referrals? Why not enhance what you're already doing in the community? Because anytime you're out in the community, you can direct them back to your website, right, to get further information. So if somebody hears you speak, they see you at a screening, they meet you somewhere on the street, and you give them the card, the website sends them there, and they say, you know, I want to check on that. They will go to your website. Now, if your website is nothing more than a billboard that says, here I am, come see me, they're probably not going to respond. But if your website helps change their mind and educates them, then that's what will happen. And now you know all the products we build, all the services we build are built because they're for us. See, I'm a chiropractor, and our stuff is built for chiropractors by chiropractors. So I know the information here works because I use it, because some of my friends use it, because the biggest practices in chiropractic use our services. Why? Because they work. They're built by chiropractors for chiropractors. Take a look at our website, nowyouknow.net. Go over our services and you'll see just that. You're welcome to go to my website, braillechiropractic.com, and look over how I've used Now You Know services to help build my website to build my beautiful practice. If there's anything we can do to help you, just give us a call. Thank you and have a great day.